As we come back, we're following tragic news out of East Nashville this morning. 2 people are dead, 2 others in the hospital from possible carbon monoxide poisoning. It happened inside a mobile home off Dickerson Pike. That's where News 2's Stassi Olmos is right now. And Stassi, can you tell us what you're hearing?
Well, according to dispatch calls, we know that first responders arrived to find 4 people passed out in a mobile home at the back of the property across the street behind me. Now, 2 of them, one a juvenile, they were not breathing. Neither of them were. Police say they found a generator inside the home. They think the carbon monoxide could be the culprit.
Dispatch Engine 1, you're headed to 2712 Dickerson Pike at Family Estates. It's going to be lot number 7. They're saying 4 people are possibly deceased. Says they walked in, saw 2 people on the floor, 2 are foaming at the mouth.
The 911 call came in around 7 a.m. Friday morning, immediately dispatching first responders to a mobile home in East Nashville.
There were a lot of sirens that were coming up the street and then stopping and entering silently.
While residents here at the Family Estates mobile home property did not want to be identified, they tell me they knew something was wrong.
There are a lot of elderly people here and impoverished people and disabled people. So my first thought was like, oh no, somebody, didn't make it.
When firefighters arrived, they could see a generator inside the home. With suspicion of toxic carbon monoxide, they called in hazmat crews.
Let's hold off on making entry on that house. Maybe as soon as carbon dioxide. We're going to do some testing at the front door before we make entry, unless you can see a viable patient.
Rescue 1, do a primary search. There's supposed to be a child in the very back room.
Nashville Fire found high levels of CO2 inside the home. Police said 1 adult and a juvenile were dead. 2 other adults were transported to Vanderbilt University Medical Center in critical condition. Residents also said it was a mobile home that had just been bought by a family and was going to be renovated.
I'm really sorry to anybody this happens to, and I just hope that the public is reminded to stay safe. Don't use generators or portable barbecues or anything like that inside, because the output is toxic and people cannot survive it.
Now, while CO2 was detected, fire officials say they are waiting on an official cause of death from the medical examiner. As for the other 2, they are still undergoing treatment. Reporting live here in East Nashville, Stassi Olmos, News 2.